I love a sour cocktail. I love a gin sour, I love flavours like the White Lady, that sort of thing. And this cocktail is a Milano Sour and brings in the Galliano to that type of cocktail. So you will need for this one, you will need some London dry gin. I've got the Hortus here from Lidl, really good for cocktails. You will need some Galliano, and I've got the Galliano L'Autentico, which is the original Galliano liqueur. It's a herbal liqueur, little hint of vanilla. You can actually get a vanilla version of this as well, which would work, but I really like the authentic, or the original I should say. Really beautiful and a fabulous bottle as well. You'll also need some lemon juice. So I have already squeezed my lemon juice. Freshly squeezed if you can, but if you've got the bottle lemon juice, that's okay. And also you'll need some lemon zest ideally for your garnish as well. And you'll need some egg white. So I've got an egg. And try and crack that open on this video. If you need to keep it vegan, or you don't like egg white, you can use aquafaba, the liquid from the chickpea juice, as I call it. But I'm going for the egg white. I really don't mind egg white in my cocktails. So we're just going to prep our glass. Pop some ice into a rocks glass there. We're going to serve it up in the rocks glass. And then we're going to shake this, and we're going to shake it really well because we've got the egg white. So ice into your shaker. Oops, I've got a little bit more, but that's okay. Pinch a bit from the glass as well. There we go. And we are going for 1.5 gin. You could use a vodka here if you wish. Even a lemon vodka or something like that. We're going to go for 1 shot of our Galliano. That's probably why I like this one. And a lot of recipes just uses half a shot of Galliano, but I love it. And so 1 shot in here is brilliant. Okay. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Then we are going for 1 shot of our lemon juice. And then the tricky part, the egg white. I probably should have cracked this before I started the video, but hey. Oops. So we want about half a shot of the egg white. So try and get it to that measure. Doesn't matter if you go a little bit over or a little less. I think that's about it. It's so gloopy, it can be tricky. Let's pop that on there. Probably gonna make a mess. It's okay. And half an egg white in there. The egg white should give us a nice foam on the top, and we're going to have a really good shake. If you want to, you can dry shake and then wet shake. So dry shake is without ice, and then the wet shake adding the ice in, and you could do it the other way around as well. It's really up to you, but I'm just going to go for a complete shaking with ice and not worrying about the dry shake with this one. You'll see the egg white start to froth up in there. Just keep going as best you can. I usually stop when I get condensation on the outside of my shaker, but I'm going to go a little bit further. Have a frozen hand instead. And the reason I've shaken that a little bit longer than perhaps I would do is that I really like to have that froth on the top of this one. So we're going to then strain it into our glass over ice. Probably need a little bit more ice than that really, but it will be lovely. As you pour it, it'll look a little cloudy, but just give it a few moments before you serve it and you'll see that line of froth on the top as well. It's a really lovely yellow colour. And then garnish is simple with a piece of lemon zest. I've got a lemon twist here that I'm going to use and just drop that over. Really lovely, really easy, Great way to always have Galliano in your cocktail cupboard. And let's have a try. Beautiful. The herbs from the Galliano come through lovely, and it just makes it a really nice autumn sour, I think, as well as a Milano sour.